right, everybody, let's talk about rates out there. It can be such a confusing topic because you can hear so many different rates. I wish it were a lot of the ones that were here on this screen, but that's not where we're at right now. I mean, maybe kind of getting towards that 6.5 isn't a good spot. But let's talk about what you're hearing and what you might see and what you need to guard against. Here, if I just typed into Google right now, what are 30-year fixed rates today? I'm not saying this is what you would get, but this is what they pull up. They say a $300,000 loan amount, 20% down, your credit's between 700 and 720 basically, which is an average score. You're at about 7%. Now, what a lot of people would say was, well, I'm hearing lower rates that are out there. That might be true. Here's what I want you to really watch for. Look for the small print when you're out there quoting rates. I'm not saying there aren't lower rates that exist out there in the market, but I did a quick search. I pulled up a low rate that was out there, and you know what the small print said? It said this: advertised rates and points are subject to change. Normal. The information provided is based on one discount point, which means you're paying 1.1% of the loan amount to get the lower rate that they quoted. I've talked about this in the past. Normally, it takes you about 3.5 years to recoup the cost of a point as far as your break even on getting a lower rate. A lot of people are going to refinance. I don't know that I'm recommending that in the market today. The other thing it assumes, you're getting a 30-year fixed. It's a purchase loan. The loan amount is 400,000 and you're putting 25% down, which is a big down payment. It also assumes your credit score is a 760, so you're going to be in that higher end of the range. It assumes that your income ratio is 18% or less. The limit is 43%. 18% is really low. So it's assuming you're 18% or less. It also assumes it's a primary residence. It assumes it's a single family home. So basically, if any of those factors, your credit, your income, the property type, your occupancy type, your down payment changes, the rate's going to go up. That's where sometimes people feel like they get into a bait and switch situation where they see a rate online and then they talk to somebody that's different. So take an extra second, look at what the small print says below. I know it's the small print. I blew this one up nice and big, but if you spend that extra second, you'll save yourself a lot of time. And the more you know, the more you grow. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day out there. Take care and happy shopping to you.